Hello everyone, Pompano Services again, out here in Guilford. I'm on a gutter cleaning job and I wanted to show you that this whole gutter system is being cleaned. Now I hand scooped the loose debris, which is all right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to water flush the system. The reason why I do that is because some gutter cleaning companies jump up on a roof because it's nice and flat. They'll put a leaf blower in here, blow out all the leaves onto the ground, rake them up, and be done. They may also put the leaf blower in the downspout, which is located right there. Now, if they do that, they'll force dirt down, and they usually look down at the bottom to see if air is coming out. If air is coming out, they assume that it's clean, but that's not always the case, because the debris will fill up the elbow and maybe not all the debris will come out. So what I do is, before I water flush the entire system, I come over to the downspout, which you can see is right here, and I insert my hose. And as you can see by the video, all the mud came out that was inside the elbow. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start over here. And I'm now going to water flush. The entire system on this side. Come back over here, remove all the debris, it's all down below. And then I'm going to do it again. So when I'm done cleaning a gutter inside, that's what it looks like. No debris, no leftover remnants, all clean. And I'm going to do that for the rest of the house. This is Pompano Services, gutter cleaning, gutter repair, house washing, roof washing, and much more. Give me a call today or schedule a phone call online, and I'll be more than happy to discuss any services, maintenance plans, etc. for your home. Thank you.